Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking these cards, guys, and this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Cancers, and I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. Cancers. So, let's see what are these cards. We have Eight of Cups, Ace of Swords, and Five of Cups in reverse. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in your relationship. So, Cancers, today you are getting that clarity. Maybe something was confusing you, or you had some doubts, maybe on someone or some circumstance, and you were in darkness regarding that situation. You didn't know what happened. But today, you are seeing things clearly because of someone. Maybe someone has given you that knowledge or imparted, told you what happened, or you yourself have found out what has really happened, and you know the truth behind that particular situation, guys, the reason for things going in a particular way today, Cancers. And I also see that for some of you, you have your attention on something else, guys. Maybe it may be your energy or it may be this person's energy. So they are focused on something, or their attention is on something, maybe on some kind of spiritual practices, or it may even be some other belief, or something else. Maybe it may be on someone else, or it may be uh, what to say, on work or their goals, whatever they have. So they have their focus on some goals or work related worries or something, but not on love. Or maybe they have their focus on love but not on their work or whatever they need to do, their duties, maybe, guys. And I also see that Cancers, for y'all today, some kind of news is reaching you, guys. It may be uh, it may be a person coming back, or it may be some kind of a news about that person. So maybe you were seeing someone, maybe it may be your ex, so you didn't know what happened or why they left you all of a sudden, and what is the reason for them leaving you, or where they are, or what they are doing, whatever it is. You were in the darkness, but today you know what, where they are and what they are doing. So some kind of news is reaching you today, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Sun in reverse. So this is a very positive card here, guys. Maybe if you are having some troubles in your relationship, all that is going to resolve, guys. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Five of Swords. So with this card, there are some difficulties you are facing today, guys. Maybe in your career, regarding some projects or financial deals, whatever you do. So some kind of troubles you are seeing in your career situation, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Cancers. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.